Welcome to this video on Hegel's dialectical engine. This is a masterclass in navigating the psychological destruction of your worldview, starting with Module 1, The Lie We Believe. We begin with the binary glitch. Evolution wired us for survival rather than truth. We naturally lean toward lazy categorization. But in a world of infinite complexity, this leads to a constant cognitive glitch. We often hold on to static maps in a burning territory. Your core values may be nothing more than outdated coping mechanisms, leading you to defend old ideas while reality shifts beneath your feet. The digital pacifier keeps us trapped in a loop of biological needs, algorithmic feeds, and tribal validation. It is easy to mistake this cycle for seeking truth, when in fact, it is just digital self-soothing. Hegel's engine of reality functions through a process of contradiction. Thesis and antithesis create friction, but that friction is the only thing generating forward momentum. Stop fighting the tension. Embrace it. What your ego perceives as an immune response to a threat, reality treats as essential growth. Stop treating your critics like predators and start seeing them as the intellectual gym equipment you need. Real growth requires metamorphosis, not compromise. When thesis and antithesis clash, they should not simply average out. They should destroy each other's limitations to birth a higher paradigm. We experience the death of an idea as the death of the self. This microscopic death is painful, but holding on to false beliefs will only kill your future growth. Kill the ego before it stifles you. Inhabiting the tension is where the real magic happens. While the default path is to rush toward picking a side, the dialectical path asks you to tolerate ambiguity and hold opposing truths simultaneously. It is time to burn the maps. You cannot build a future on the foundation of the past. If you don't audit your outdated models and draw a new map from scratch, past successes will lead to future failure. Absolute idealism reminds us that the mind is not just recording a dead universe. It is the universe waking up to itself. You are not a lonely observer. You are the cosmos looking in the mirror. History is a macro computation, not chaos. Every era is a process of establishing a thesis, facing antithetical revolution, and moving toward a new synthesis. You are a crucial part of this vast algorithm. The tragedy lies in the gap between our cosmic potential and our daily behaviors, like arguing with strangers online. You have the processing power of the absolute within you. Stop running cognitive malware. Be an integrator, not a fanatic. While the fanatic screams for dopamine and certainty, the integrator leans into the abyss of not knowing. True freedom requires the discipline to remain unsure. Finally, become the bridge. The world is addicted to polarization, but you can choose to look at fractured reality, harness your cognitive power, and synthesize a higher whole. Now, go resolve something.